Hello everyone, this is Julian from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a La Pavoni professional with us in the shop, and it came in for a general tune-up on the machine. General tune-up includes repairing or servicing the entire group head, the steam wand assembly, the side glass with a new side glass, gaskets, and cover. The steam wand had a lot of milk on it, cleaned the portafilter out, cleaned the internal side of the group head, and lubricated it, so it should move really easily. So we're going to quickly test the machine by putting a shot in here. Don't worry if the shot runs a little too slow or a little too fast. We don't measure the shots, or we don't measure the coffee grind. We're just gonna brew it like normal. So water's in the chamber now, and then you want to evenly press down. There you go. Actually, it looks really good coming out. Lift my cup a little. It's a little fast, so a little bit more coffee would have did much better. Then we're going to let that drip out because there's still pressure inside of that group head, since there's no way of releasing it. So we're just going to leave that there to drip for the remainder of this video, and then the steam wand, which we serviced last week. And that's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of our other repairs on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, hit the bell. Thanks for watching.